Hello dear friends! This is an electronic repair channel. Today we are repairing the computer power supply. Unit does not turn on. Checking the defect. Power consumption is about 0 watts. The standby power supply does not work. The power supply cannot work properly. Opening up the block. I am conducting an inspection. I see the problem. Desoldering the wires. Removing the wires. A faulty element. Meet the varistor. Varistor meet this channel for electronics repair. Desoldering the element. This take looks well done. Removing the varistor's spool. Looking for two new elements. Installing two twins on the board. Soldering the varistors. Trimming the long legs. Checking the resistance. It is high. Everything is fine. Checking the fuse. It is faulty. Desoldering the faulty fuse. A 5 amp fuse. Installing a new fuse. Putting the capacitors back. Soldering the capacitors. Soldering the wires back. Checking. The standby sources working. Its voltage is about 5 volts. I'm starting the main power source. It works. The fan is spinning. This is just great. We check the unit with a tester. No errors. The job is done. The unit is working. Support me with a like and a subscription. Good luck to everyone.